Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting off things a little bit different. I have, I'm missing some things on my face, like lashes, lips. So let's get into this haul, shall we? So first up, we have some things from Ulta Beauty. First, we have some lashes from Kiss. It's the Couture line in Naked Drama, and I have it in tulle and chiffon. Tulle is definitely more of a cat eye look, and it's very full with the lash line, and I'm sorry, I meant organza, not chiffon. I think I said chiffon? Yeah. Organza has more of a flared look all over, like throughout the whole thing. And I really love these lashes. Like, you can't go wrong with them. Like, I've obviously used them already because I do my makeup almost every day. And I couldn't wait to use these again. So, yeah, that's that. Toss that over there. But next up, there is only one store location in all of the Houston area. It is about 30 miles from here. So I drove 40 minutes to get these MAC eyeliners because the MAC stores are still closed, and I have my MAC Pro discount with them, but like I ain't trying to wait like a whole week, and plus there was something I needed to like return and at Ulta anyway, so I just didn't exchange for these. Oh well. So here I have Costa Richie, and this shade is a very warm red brown. Yeah, it's like it has this very warm reddish tint to it. And then here we have Teddy. And Teddy is definitely more on the golden bronze side, I feel like. Both of these next to any brown eyeshadows, like if you're trying to smoke out your lash line or anything like that, like these are a must-have for that, and I really, really like that. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna use, I think, Teddy on my eyelash line. Let's do that. It's really, really pretty. Like, it complements my crease color that I have here really nicely. And I'm just going to flick this up and let's see how it is like smudged out. See how it kind of just adds like the right amount of depth to that lash line? And Patrick Taub, I took his master class. I won the giveaway for the master class, and he recommended these liners for like that really bronzy, smoky finish. So I really recommend these as well because it really does add like that perfect touch. And I'm gonna do my waterline in here. Yeah, it adds like this really nice bronzy shimmer effect also. Like, it kind of has a slight shimmer to it. Yeah, I really, really like this. Would I repurchase this? Yes, I would, for sure. So now we have the Sephora. So I really, really needed a new cleanser just to kind of like freshen things up and mix it up a little bit. I've really been liking the Sephora clean line. Like, Sephora has their own skincare and makeup line, but their skincare is bomb. Like, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I have here the AMA Amino Acid Cleansing Skin Gel. This is the MRG Illuminating Hydrator, Radiance and Soothing. And then the GLY Glycolic Acid Glow Peel Pads. I really love this. This sold for $20. So this is a really good deal because the toner or the cleansing face wash is $17 on its own. So it's a really good deal. So I had to buy this. Next I have the YSL Libre perfume, and it literally smells like $1 million. That's how this smells like. It smells almond like, and I think like I'm very attracted to that almondy smell to begin with because Baccarat is like my favorite perfume, but I really like this one. So this was an amazing find. Next up is something very exciting. It is the McGrath Labs eyeshadow palette, Bronze Seduction palette from McGrath Labs, and this retails for $125. Now I didn't purchase this, someone gifted it to me, and that was so nice of them to do, and I really can't thank them enough for that. Like, I'm so grateful that they decided to do that for me. So go ahead and open her up. They kind of have like this little twisty deal here, which is super neat and different. And when you open it up, it has the names of the shadows like here at the bottom of the box, which is super neat, but it's a little bit difficult because then if I'm doing like a tutorial with this palette, I have to constantly look back at the box for the names of the shades, but it's all good. Look how gorgeous this palette is, first of all, and I love the iridescent shades here. I think it's called VR Fire Opal is like the greenish pink iridescent, and then the opal iridescent one is Astral Luna Gold. I think that's how you say that one, but definitely so pretty. Let's go ahead and do like swatches of the iridescent ones. I thought it would be a little bit less chunky glitter. Does that make sense? Like the rose gold, the gold are really nice, but like the opal colors are very glittery, if that makes sense. Like they're not, I don't know the word for it, but you know what I mean, I'm sure. Other than that, like I had used this palette for the Patrick Ta giveaway contest, and some of the colors oxidized on me a little bit, so I had to go in with the P. Louise eye base so that it wouldn't oxidize. So that's just something to keep in mind. That happened with me. It may not happen with everybody, but that's my experience with this palette so far. But we'll keep it going and see what happens with this palette. I really want to put, I think, this rose gold color on my lid. Gorgeous. I don't know about you, but I think I would keep this palette just for this one right here. So pretty. Okay, so enough about that palette. We're gonna move on to, of course, can you guess what it is? Patrick Ta. Patrick Ta over here. And we got some Patrick Ta over here. And we got some more Patrick Ta. And we got more Patrick Ta. We have his amazing blush duo. This one is in the shade She's So LA, and this is so pretty. Like, I just love his packaging. As you can see, I dipped into it a little bit already, and we're gonna dip into it some more. My blush brush ready and my sponge ready, and dip right in here. Oh, it's funny because like this one, you see how much my brush picked up on the She's That Girl blush. It didn't really like pick up a whole lot of pigment out of the pan, but we'll see. Ooh, kind of comes off kind of peachy. Yeah, it's really peachy on me and my skin tone, but I really like that because he said he created this for people that are really afraid to use blush and they don't want to go overboard, like they're more comfortable with bronzy shades. So I feel like he definitely accomplished that with this shade. I'll take my sponge next and I'm gonna dip right in here. So that's a lot, right? I'm gonna press it on the back of my hand first. Let's see. Ooh. It adds a really, like, can you see the sheen right there on my cheek? Versus this, I mean, it's supposed to intensify it a little bit, but not by much. It just adds like that cuteness to it. I feel like by adding this on, it kind of like gives it that blurred effect. So yeah, I already have this blush duo in the shade She's That Girl, and it literally is like my go-to pink blush. I love that one so much. Next up, I have the matte suede lipstick in the shade She's Single. These are supposed to be like really velvety matte lipsticks, and it looks like mousse on the actual stick. Like, how cute. And like, I love how his lipsticks have his little T and P embossed into the lipstick. Like, that's so cute. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Wow, that is like so pretty, and it's so creamy. Let's put this on. So this is the shade without any lip liner on, and it is really peachy. I like it a lot. It pairs well with the blush, and I'm gonna put some lip liner on. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. So I used the Patrick Ta She's Bold lipstick, but he does make the She's Single lip liner as well, or lip crown is what he calls them. And I really recommend that you do buy the matching set with it, because without the definition, like, it just looks plain without the lip liner. Like, you gotta use the lip liner. You just have to. So next, I have the It's a Look lash from House of Lashes and their collab with Patrick Ta. And I did use them for the major masterclass with Patrick Ta. So I'm gonna put these on. A tip that he gave us was, and Kevin Long, who I love his makeup all the time, says to apply mascara to your natural lashes just like this after applying the lashes. And I like to just kind of brush it like this a little bit. Redo these bottom lashes just a teeny bit. Do this eye quick. Okay, now that the mascara is done, just like, let's look at these lashes for just a minute. Look how gorgeous they are. Like, I think I'm going to go to Sephora and buy like 20 of these. They retail for $18 each, which, if I think about it, like, I like these more than the Kiss lashes. And I think I would spend the money because sometimes collabs don't last forever. So it's good to kind of stock up on something like this if you really like it that much, which I do. So I will be going back to Sephora and grabbing a handful of these for sure. We have the Patrick Ta for face and body Major Glow All Over Glow Bomb, and this is in She's Glossy, and the packaging is just open this up. Oh my god. Smells so wonderful. Oof. Like, it looks like silicone when you open it, but we all know it's not. I'm gonna dip my sponge right in here. And we're gonna apply this on the high points of the face. Like, I definitely think you have to be very specific of where you put it, because I feel like it travels just a little teeny bit. Like, you want to be super specific. But I do like about this is that if you're too oily or like you don't like where you're shiny, you just kind of like pat over it a little bit with some powder and it goes down. Like, you see, it kind of mattified it a little bit. I didn't put a lot of powder, but let's test it, shall we? Okay, so I have my Charlotte Tilbury powder, and let's mat this down. Ooh, yeah. So it's still there a little bit, but it's like natural. I love this product. Like, if you're doing a photo shoot or you're going out with your friends and you want to just look like you're glowing from within, like, this is that product. So that brings everything to a close for today's haul. I was gonna say tutorial, but it's not a tutorial. But I hope you guys really liked these products that I showed you. Like, I think I love everything. The only thing that I was a little iffy about out of this whole haul was probably the Pat McGrath Labs bronze palette. So I think I'm gonna keep giving it a few more tries and hopefully it's not a total flop, but I think I will really like it. I think I just need to play around with different primers and stuff like that. But my absolute favorite product out of this whole entire haul is definitely the lashes and the gloss. Like, all the Patrick Ta stuff, I love everything that he has done so far. And a little tea, and you didn't hear this from me, but he is coming out with some new products. I can't say, but you guys are going to love them, and I'm so excited for him. He is such an amazing person, so I really recommend his brand. I really recommend it. Today's haul to a close, and I will see you guys in the next totally relatable tutorial or the next haul. So until next time, bye bye.